In this video, you will learn how to get rid of gastritis naturally without medication, using combined mild fasting, diet and supplementation as a support. All that in 4 to 8 weeks. My name is Szymon and welcome back to my channel. Let's go! Gastritis, so the inflammation of stomach lining, needs a careful approach and is worth addressing as soon as possible. Untreated, it can increase the cancer risk, not to mention the problems in everyday life, like acid reflux or digestion issues. The core issue is usually twofold: acid damage and compromised mucosal barrier. You cannot just fast your way out of it. You need to heal the lining itself. Now the foundation. You need to remove the irritants. For me, it's straightforward. My carnivore diet has done the heavy lifting. It can do it for you as well. Plant toxins like leptins, as well as NSAIDs, are the primary culprits. You need to avoid those. Also, focus on this. Stop anything carbonated, caffeine on an empty stomach, and alcohol. Black or green tea instead of coffee also might be a good idea. Now, what about fasting? It can help, but timing matters enormously. Let's say a 12-hour overnight fast is fine and actually supportive. It gives the stomach hours without acid demand. When you're in active inflammation, extended fasting can paradoxically increase the stomach acid production, as the stomach prepares for food that never comes. Wait till the acute inflammation settles before pushing your fasting beyond 16 or 18 hours. The exception is if you're already long-term adapted to intermittent fasting. Now let's talk about what actually heals the barrier. That could actually surprise you, although not so much if you're into my channel already. But saturated fat, especially from animal sources, tightens the tight junction in your gut lining. That's where products like butter excels. Bone broth, simmered long enough to extract collagen and gelatin, provides amino acids that your mucosal barrier craves, particularly glycine and proline. Eat it slightly warm. Let it coat the stomach. Organ meats, especially liver, supply zinc and vitamin A, both essential for mucosal repair. There are also some supplements that work. L-glutamine, 5 to 10 grams daily, is the fuel colonocytes and gastric cells use. Zinc carnosine, 75 milligrams, twice a day with food, has solid evidence for gastric lining repair. And now, what to avoid? Apple cider vinegar and berberine, as much as they provide some great benefits for your metabolic health, may be a problem for an already irritated stomach lining. You may also want to avoid heavily marketed gut healers that are good for other purposes but can irritate the already raw stomach. What about the timeline? 4 to 8 weeks of strict carnivore diet, fasting conservatively, and consistent supplementation usually shows real improvement. If you choose more moderate keto approach or low carb approach, it may take much longer. Or you may try both and see what gives you the healing benefits you need. And most importantly, take it seriously. You don't want to neglect things that can lead to cancer in the future and generate a variety of gastric problems along the way. Stay consistent, focus on healing, and once the issue is resolved, you can slowly reintroduce certain food types. Be careful though, not to rush too much with adding back foods. Just do it step by step. And if you have a good doctor, work with them. But be careful, because it's luxury not anybody can afford and is able to find. I wish you good luck with it. And please let me know down in the comments how it's going. That's it for this video. If you appreciate what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. That would be highly appreciated. For now, thank you so much for watching. My name is Szymon, and I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next one, and stay healthy.